Welcome to our educational channel. From class 4, the chapter number 12 is Basic Geometrical Concepts. So, all the basic concepts I'll explain here, which is required for the geometry, especially the 3D shapes and what are the other thing like acute, obtuse, right angle, angles, edges, and 2D, 3D shapes. 2D already learned previous classes, no? 3D shapes and their vertices, number of edges. So these all I'll explain in this video. I am giving one link in description below about the document or PDF file. So which you are seeing here, no, this all the worksheets are available in the link. You can get that worksheets and practice. So to improve the basic skills in this chapter and do the practice worksheets in that worksheet problems all. Then you can listen this video. It will be perfect in this chapter. Right. Let us see one by one. First of all, to perfect these geometrical concepts, you should know the 3D shapes and the properties of that. For example, we have the 3D shapes. Name of the 3D shapes already learned in the previous classes, right? So here, the basic thing is number of vertices, edges, number of flat surfaces, number of curved surfaces, curved shape. These all we should know. First up, for example, if you take one of the shape, now this is the cube, right? This is a cube shape. So in this cube, back also we can make this one cross. So this is the shape. If you observe here, which is the corner, so I'll just remove this, easy to know, which is in the two edges where they are coinciding. This is the vertex. So how many vertices are in this cube? 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way down also. Here's 1, 2, 3. And if you notice one more side here. That's why you can use imagine the line here. So shape for this. So number of vertices. So this is one of the vertex. So number of vertices is the meaning of the vertices is the corner joining of the two edges. Next, edge is the cross line. This is complete line. This is the edge. So two faces are joining. No, there's edge. Face is this complete area is the face. So we have total surrounding 4 and top and bottom. So total we have 6 faces. And edges if you count. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Down also we have 4 and sides 4. So total 4 is a 12. 12 edges. Vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and faces 6. Like this every 3D shape you should know number of vertices or vertex and number of edges and faces. Okay, I am showing one complete data in this. If you just observe the diagram. Cube. Faces 6, edges 12, vertices 8. Sphere we have only curved face is only 1. No edges, no vertices because no joining. Similarly, cone, cylinder, prism, like triangular prism, rectangular prism, and square pyramid. So the complete data I'm showing on the screen, you just need to revise once this. Each and everything you revise. After perfect of every concept, like every 3D shape and their number of faces, vertices, and edges, everything. Then I'm giving the link in description below. No? In that you can find out the worksheets. So you can answer these all. So cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. In this like number of vertices, edges, number of flat surfaces, number of curved surfaces. So these all you need to write. So from that, just to prepare from this one, already learned class 3 also. In class 3 basic skills also I explained. Along with that, this any additional shapes. You just practice and do it first. Once perfect of about all this, now let us see the geometry basics. The basic thing, even some of you are making mistakes to name the vertex and arms of each of the angles. So we need to write it. Name the vertex. Vertex is in this is where the two rays are joining together. This BA and BC, which is joining at B. That's why B is the vertex. In this vertex is equals to B. And arms of each angle. So now this is the angle. So that is BA. BA is one arm and BC. And to denote the angle, we can write angle ABC. Which wherever the vertex, no, that should be at the center place, and AC either sides. So angle ABC is this. Here is L is at center, so we can denote this angle is MLN. Even you can write NLM also. Okay, vertex is L, arms are LM and LN. Right? You can just fill all the problems. Now questions are given in this worksheet. Once perfect of all the pages. Next, I'm giving some questions about acute, right, and obtuse. Okay, this also you have to practice in this geometry. Acute, right, and obtuse. So when you see the acute, for example, we know complete circle is 360 degrees. Complete circle is 360 degrees. If you make into four parts, this is 90 degrees. If exactly perpendicular, this line is to this is 90. So which is right angle. If any angle is less than 90 degrees, that is acute. And if angle is greater than 90, it is obtuse. So remember. So this is like more than half. Generally 90 degrees only till here. But it's additional, no? That's why it is a obtuse. And it is a straight line. This is actually 90, but it is less. So this is acute angle. Now this is also acute, and it is exactly 90 degrees right angle. This is a symbol to denote the right. Similarly, the angle is straight. No, this is the straight angle, 180 degrees it is, and it is 90 degrees, so right angle. So I'm giving some worksheets based on this to about acute, right, obtuse also in the worksheets. We can practice everything. So these are the basic knowledge or basic skills you required to perfect in this chapter, like basic geometrical concepts.